Hello, I'm Abdul Jabbar and I'm from ND University. In this video, I'll be discussing about the intelligence test that is conducted from different universities. So, beginning the questions. Here we have to write the next pattern. Okay. In the first figure, the arrow is towards here. Okay. In the next figure here. So, we can conclude that it is moving clockwise. Okay. Here, then here, in this way. Or I can say that if I say that there are 4 points, then the next arrow is coming on the one difference. Okay, one difference. So what should be the next pattern? Okay, so next pattern should be either we can say that clockwise or one distance of this one should be here. So that is C. C is the answer for this. Okay, same question. Okay, predicting the next pattern. We have rectangle inside circle. Okay, in the next pattern, the inside figure comes out and the outside figure comes on the top with shaded. Okay, a new figure, triangle inside a rectangle. What should be the next figure? So observing the previous statement, what should I do? The inside figure should come out and the outside figure should go on the top with shades in this way. So C is the answer for this. Okay, so one figure is outside the second and second is outside the third one. Okay, in the next pattern, the first figure comes into the second and the second comes into the third one. What happens in the third pattern? The inside two figures, the first figure and the second figure, changes their position. So now what we have to do? Circle and here. First figure outside the second and it is outside the third one. Same thing happened like that. The outside figure, the third one figure remain the same, and the first out come into the second in this way, and the third and the second out comes into the third. What should we conclude net? The outside figure, the most last figure should remain same, and the inside two figures should change their position in this way. So A is the answer for. Okay. So if the word love is coded as MPWF, what will be the code for war? Okay, so what should be the difference or commonality between the word, this word and this? So if I say that if writing alphabets through numericals like A, B, C, it goes like 1, 2, 3. Okay, so in this way I can say that L, after that M comes, O, after P comes, and V, after that W comes. Similarly, after E, F comes. The word written here is coded in this way. So we are moving forward from L to M. Like if I say that A, B, C, either B could be coded to A or B could be coded to C. So in here the L is coded forward in M. So in the similar way, war word should be coded forward. W A R. W should be coded to X, A should be to B, and R should be to S. Three of them forward. So X B S. This is the answer. Okay. If feed is coded as 6554, what will be bread will to be coded? Okay. If I say that A, B, writing them as numerically, D, E, F. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So we got the answer. F is the 6. Yes. E is 5. So double 5. And D is 4 here. So simply the thing is that they are being coded to the numericals of their sequence. So now for the bread. B R E A D. Bread should be the second. R should be, you can count. Okay. E should be 5. A is 1. D is 4. So this is the answer. We have excluded this. Why? Because in the end D is coming and D is 4. So this is the best answer. Okay. In this way we haven't even checked the R. Why? Because the as the first digit was same in 3, 2, but in the last here 5, 1 and 4, and we got the answer that D should be 4. Okay. So 3 years ago Rania was 8 years younger than Hina. Today, what is the difference between their ages? So should I add or sum or subtract their ages? Definitely no. It's just a common sense question. Before 3 years, Rania was 8 years younger. Definitely today both of them grow up same age difference. It is the answer. Okay. So, two boys standing in such a way that their body and face facing towards east and the sun is at west. At which direction their shadow will come? So, if I say that these are the two boys, they are focusing towards east. Okay, and the sun is at west. As we know that west comes opposite to the east. So here is west and this is the sun and sun is shining. Okay, the shadow will form towards here, any figure. So the position is at east. So finding the relationship. Here is to fly as water is to. So here the air is being used as a medium. Fly is normally used with birds. Birds fly. So air is totally independent of land or water. So in the similar way, if considering this concept, water is independent of air and land. So I cannot say that swim. For swimming, air must be needed by the swimmer. Sinking is a deadly. Here nothing deadly is shown. Drinking, the air is not being used as eating or drinking material. So these three options are being cut. Yes, float. So the last and the best option is float for water. Breakfast is to lunch as lunch is to. So the sequence is basically given here. First breakfast comes and after that lunch comes. So after lunch definitely dinner will come. Breakfast, definitely it cannot be repeated. Fasting, definitely it cannot come. Okay, meal is something like, if I say that if I eat anything, so then it could come, but not here. Okay, the last question. Letter is to telegram as train is to. If I find some commonality between both of them and the difference, so I can say that both are being used for communication. But what's the difference between both of them? It is basically a old technology of communication, and it is something a new technology as preferred to this. So train is to. First of all, I have to find the common thing. What is the common word for train? Aeroplane and horse is the common word. In the concept, we know that letter was the old one, and we move towards the new, old to new. So with the same concept, train is old here, and we have to move towards the new. So what is the new technology as compared to the train? Horse? No. Aeroplane? Yes. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.